We received this Peterbilt module from a customer with a bad neutral switch input, which rendered the truck it was in unusable. After a full breakdown of the module and tracing out all the circuits, we were able to find the problem, and then after correcting the problem, we verified operation as shown in the video. These modules are used in complex groups of sensors and controlled outputs for all the systems found in the truck, and if there are major faults, this module will prevent the truck from moving. At ERD, we have extensive experience in all the major truck manufacturers, including Peterbilt, so if you have 579 rigs with problems around one of these modules, please reach out.